Do'n i di grioni cael dreifio ambulance fast. Ti'n gallu imagine fi?
Fysa.
Handbrakes a fydda. Nino.
This is London. This is where it happens.
Do'n i mor lwcus bod yr NHS gyda ni.
Am nawr. This is where it goes down. My parents were refugees coming to this country. They kind of tried to keep me safe growing up and everything.
So mae'r rhieni fo yn refugees yn dod i Prydain. Wedyn mae di mynd i coleg a mae'n paramedic. Fantastic.
Every time I go to a patient who's elderly, I just think, you know what, one day this is going to be me. And I'm going to look after them the way I want to be looked after myself.
Os ti'n cael dy drin dy hun, de?
Parch. Mae parch dy'r boi'n. Mae'r teg I fe.
Show love whenever you can.
Good boy.
Mae'n a wonderful man.
And my parents, they always told me do the right thing, go out on a limb for people.
Dwi'n meddwl bod o'n bwysig dim ots pa job ti yn, really.
A na beth ti moyn yn sefyllfa fel ai ti?
Sir, lovely to meet you. My name's Omar.
And this is wonderful. Look, I've got four lovely big young men in my little flat.
She's loving life.
And I was getting ready for bed. And I tripped over backwards and bumped my head on the door.
A mae pen ti'n gweidi siwc y ment.
So that's when I pressed my button and said,
And then we turned up.
yeah.
Ti angen button.
No, dwi ddim yn angen button markers.
Getting her to do the sit to stand, we noticed that she's had a leg drag.
Beth yw leg drag?
Oh, dwi wedi cael stroke.
I think the issue we have here is we can't rule out a stroke.
Siw bod o'n really scary cael news fel a byw y bendy hun.
Sarah
I
is
do
a
want to go
patient
to hospital.
on that. Sarah's very much of the view that she doesn't want to go.
Swn i'n mysio mynd chwaith.
Maen nhw'n meddwl mynd i'n mynd i fynd i hospital. Dyn nhw'n dod yn ôl allan, ia.
Beth ti fod wneud os mae rhywun yn gwrthod mynd, e?
Rwy'n gwybod I fod nhw'n ti.
We can't say for certain that it's not a stroke, and that brings its own risks. I can't be 100% certain if we leave here that you're going to be okay.
Mae hyn oes amser o'n ni. Mae nhw'n social workers, wan di.
Yndi.
Gen nhw duty of care, does. Dyn nhw'n methu gadael hi fel ma hynna.
I've had a fall. I've made an awful lot of mess everywhere, but we're going to just go to bed, sleep it off, and be all right. That.
Bad idea.
Na, mae'n dan aros wili. Mae I angen mynd i'r ysbyty, ie.
I think I will be all right.
And the only way we can determine that is if we can go to a hospital and get you some imaging.
Lly gweld mae'n really ofnus, nag yw i?
Yes.
If in doubt, check it out.
Yeah.
Sorry, mae eisiau ddifyn i'r ysbyty.
I don't want to.
Why not?
Oh, dear.
O, ti'n gallu gweld gwad ar ei dillad.
Mae fe'n anodd iddi, ynddi fe?
Odi.
I know what you're saying. And I really don't want to. I really don't want to.
O, bychwyd, ti'n eich chalon.
Pan bod ti mor off yn mynd, da.
I don't actually think it would matter if I had a stroke tonight because,
Why?
well, I just don't think anybody would mind, really. I don't have a husband. I don't have children. I don't have... The only person I've got is my pussycat.
Oh,
Ti'n okay?
No.
Mae'n dwysti.
Is there a particular reason why you don't want to go to hospital?
No, I hate hospital.
Yr un fath a fi, cariad.
Mae o di ffindio do. Mae eich di fynd I wraidd y broblem bydd.
The plan Gavin had today
Yes.
was to take you to a specialist unit. They're called the hyperacute stroke unit. And they'd be ready for us. The second we arrive, there'd be a bed ready for you. There'd be an X-ray machine, CT scanner, everything that you need to be done immediately ready for you. So there's no waiting.
There's no waiting.
No waiting at all, literally.
Well, that would be jolly nice.
Yeah?
Dad, ie.
O, mae'n mor lyflu gyda hi.
Ydy fe'n gweud celwydd?
Na. Maen nhw yn Llundain, mae'n lot fwy o resources yn Llundain.
Dwi'n meddwl sa'r dyn arall, sam di sy'n na tan...
Sil Piers.
Ia.
Would you consider just popping up with us to hospital? So we drive on blue lights, skip all the traffic.
Yes. Yeah,
Honestly.
okay. Well, then let's go to the hospital.
Mae o wedi wneud job dda iawn I perswadio hi. Da iawn, boi.
Mae'n gwerth I fe I fi, so fi'n mynd.
Okay. If you...
Cool, we'll get everything sorted.
Da iawn, Omar.
Omar's got the charm.
Oh, all this attention. God, I can't believe this.
O, mae ddynas lyflu.
Ie.
Dim panig yna dim byd fan ac ddim ein berffaith hapus i fynd fan dydy.
Yndi.
The city that took my family in with open arms, I'm now giving back to the people of the city. Make a difference.
Ta'r moesau dad yr boi bych hyn wedi cael ei godi'n dda.
Fi jyst eisiau ystod coleg gweithio fe problemau fi gyd. And then she said...
You'll never guess what.
Cwtch mi, Omar!